How does your gut microbiome affect food allergies? Let's talk about it. Your gut microbiome helps you stay healthy. Through the neurological system, your gut microbiome communicates directly with your hypothalamus. If your gut microbiome is out of balance, inflammation in the gut can cause sensitivity, especially to foods. The beneficial bacteria use fiber to make short-chain fatty acids and create a chemical called butyrate. Butyrate helps to protect the walls of the intestine against inflammation and even colon cancer. Low-fiber diets are detrimental to beneficial bacteria. Without adequate fiber intake, your gut microbiome cannot protect you. Eating fiber is key to keeping your microbiome healthy and producing the proper amount of butyrate. Too much simple sugars and carbohydrates instead of fiber increases the risk of imbalancing your gut microbiome and increasing inflammatory response. A poor diet leads to intestinal dysbiosis, meaning your microflora is out of balance. And when your microflora becomes out of balance, you become more and more sensitive to food. As food sensitivity increases, you have an IgA reaction indicating mucosal inflammation. As you become increasingly sensitized to food, you start producing immunoglobulin G, which indicates heightened sensitivity to the food you're consuming. And then immunoglobulin E, which is the true allergy marker, can cause systemic reactions like itching, rashes, runny nose, and an inability to breathe or anaphylaxis. New research has demonstrated that a special form of butyrate can help prevent and treat food allergies. Now, it's critical to keep your gut microbiome in balance. I found in my patients with food allergies that when their hypothalamus becomes balanced, they become less sensitive to food. They start with sacred 7 amino acids to help balance their hypothalamus, which decreases the inflammatory response. Then after a few months, the time it takes to retrain T cells, we introduce Genesis Gold as they're no longer sensitive to the multiple whole plant ingredients. Healing of the gut microbiome continues with Genesis Gold as it includes probiotics and prebiotics to naturally increase butyrate production and reduce inflammation and hyperimmune response. Now, if you have any questions about the gut microbiome and food allergies, please join us in our hormone reboot training. I'll see you in the next video.